Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. In Primetime News tonight, illegal nursing home in the spotlight after patient found with maggots in the mouth.
Under pressure, PNP caretaker candidate for East Portland facing backlash after campaign speech.
And government proposes new law to fight crime.
Hello and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Archibald Gordon. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green is here with a preview.
Thanks, Archie. Well, the fishing industry is again in the spotlight, with one stakeholder calling for stiffer penalties for illegal activities. We'll tell you who and why in the business day.
And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of sports. Jordan?
Yes, Janella, the Reggae Girls head coach is saying there might be a few selection headaches ahead of the FIFA Women's World Cup based on the girls' impressive performance against Chile in Montego Bay last night. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There is also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
And tonight we're asking, what are your thoughts on PNP candidate for Portland Eastern, Damian Crawford's comments about his opponent, Anne-Marie Vaz?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and your tweets to @televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.